What is up, everyone? This is your boy Forex now. On this level, as you guys can see, price came up. Still consolidating, So what I'm hoping for is that this move will make its way down to at least maybe this order block, potentially to this fairly gap, or potentially this order block over here. But let's see. Let me go on my MetaTrader and set my things. So yeah, if this candle closes bearish, this is where my stop loss is gonna be, and I will target a 1-to-1 from whatever price closes at. Okay, has about 40 seconds left. Let's see. Seconds. So this is gonna be my entry if this candle closes bearish. 1-to-1. Let's see. Like this is gonna be a CISD, but I'm gonna mark it once I've executed the trade. Me, I'm in right here. Target is 1-to-1. Okay, the reason for entry, guys, is we had, okay, this is the first sweep, right? But let me mark this one over here. And mark this one. This is the same. I'm saying it's the same. Okay, so here, right, price failed to do what? It swept but failed to do a CISD. This is a bearish variation, yes, but these candles aren't looking that good for me because these are rejection candles. But let's see, we have a CISD over here, which I entered on the candle closure that created the CISD. Now, let me delete this. I set my alert before when price hits my stop loss. Come on, add alert. Or when price hits my take profit. Either way, guys, I couldn't care less about this trade because this is only one trade. If this one trade loses, it's fine, on to the next. If it wins, it's fine, on to the next. Whatever happens, happens. I'm sure of my trade, and it doesn't help having regrets about when you're in a trade, because what I believe is that if you have to go back and check, if you have to go back and check your trade, then you shouldn't have entered that trade in the first place. I just hope my network is good, because there's a bit of wind this side, and I know when there's wind, network tends to be a bit shaky sometimes. Let me listen to music. Now, last time yesterday they flagged me for copyright, but at least they didn't remove my content because the owner apparently allows people to use those songs on YouTube, so I'm good. Oh shit! Let me put on the 1 minute time frame for you guys. I forgot. So you guys can see in detail what's going on. Yeah, but the entry I totally got on the 5 minute. 5 minute entry. Let me make this one come over like this, so you guys can see everything. And we kind of on a 5 trade winning streak. Let's see how long that's gonna last. And I'm not expecting for this trade to be a win, but if it's a win, it's a win. The streak was unexpected, but yeah. I'm also doing a okay, look, I'm thinking of increasing my risk, right? Because I'm gonna add more accounts, right? There's a possibility that I might get more accounts. So 1% risk, here I come. Okay, that dropped down nicely. Did you guys see that drop? You guys see that drop? Okay, I'm gonna listen to music, as I said. Listen to Young Boy today. Charge my laptop. I got it on my mind. You know it ain't high. Hey, you bitches do in the sky. In the eyes. Bitch, we're heading to the top. Yeah. 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 Okay, there's still no people on the stream. All are missing out. Giving out fire trades here. But you know, I know people will come along, you know, when they see the fancy thumbnails and all that. But I'm not all about that. I'm just trading, you know, and I'm just sharing what I'm doing on a day-to-day basis, you know. So now I'm still trading these low accounts, these 5K accounts. So obviously no one wants to see that. But imagine on my thumbnails I put like trading 100K account, or I just made $10,000. Then people are gonna start watching my content, you know, because they're gonna see those big numbers and all that. But I ain't about that, you know, because there's even people that haven't made a lot of money that do those like clickbait type of thumbnails, you know, where they want to draw you in. And me, I'm not selling a service or anything. I'm just documenting my whole journey of what I'm doing, you know. And I've been waiting for moments like these, you know, where I can be able to document my journey, because I've been studying for a long time, you know. I've been studying like learning how to trade and testing different strategies, you know, back testing and all that. Like, that's what I've been doing for the past year, and now it's time to execute. So that's basically what I'm doing here. So while I'm doing that, I'm just documenting the whole journey, you know. So we're on the street playing with sticks. Yeah. I run it up now. I'm late. Okay, there was news at 8 a.m. today, and there's gonna be news again at 8:30. So I'm clear until 8 o'clock, which is the end of my session. So not that it's gonna be smooth sailing from here on out, but there's nothing that I have to look out for, you know, in terms of surprises, you know, because news, they spike, and that spike, no, I don't want to experience slippage, none of that. They drop. Hey man, drop. Wait, oh, hang on. Okay, price is back at entry. That's cool. That's cool. Mama by mistake. Okay, let me mute the mic because okay, we are about to get our first loss on the stream. It's fine. It's a part of the game, guys. Losses are a part of the game. Yep. It took me out. Cool. Let's wait for the next trade. Let's wait and see what the next trade is gonna be. Okay, for now, price is reaching, like it hasn't done anything clear. Um, Let me zoom out and see what's going on. Okay, so if we are going up, then this is where I think price is heading to. Let's see. Yeah, price might. Okay, it's going up to take out that level. So from there, we might see a potential rejection, or what price might do is that it might come in here, create some sort of structure where I'll be able to buy from, or sell. We'll see. So now I'm just listening to music. I don't want them. I don't want YouTube to strike my live as copyright. So I'm gonna mute the mic. Okay. I'm not liking this, but we just had a liquidity sweep as you guys can see. So let's see how the following candle is gonna close, which is this one. Let's see if it's gonna give us that follow through, which is potentially maybe giving us a CISD, which is I'd be looking for a sell. Stop loss would be over here, this high. But let's see. see this one will come lower. But this is definitely our next short liquidity, this order block over here, if price is gonna come down. So the way that I trade where price is trying to go. I try and predict, not try and predict, but I trade along with price, you know. So now, as I said, like, I might be looking for shorts, but if price chooses to give me a buy setup, I'll take that buy. Like, I don't have I don't use high time frame buys, so most of the time liquidity sweeps are my buys, you know. So the way that I trade is like, if we sweep buy side, then I'll be looking for sells, right? So, and like vice versa, if we sweep sell side, I'll be looking for buys. Like, if I see what I would want to see in a trade, I'm taking that trade. Like, if I were to break down my trading style, it would be broken down into 9 different trading models, but I'm not gonna do that. So okay, we have some bullish momentum, so it's a waiting game from here on. Just have to wait. Like, when people see things like this happening, you know, they are gonna want price to form a setup, right? Now they're gonna start mixing certain concepts, and be like, okay, I see that. Like, let me make an example of support and resistance traders. Let me clarify, I'm not a support and resistance trader, right? I trade brute force, which is my way, right? I trade brute force, I trade ICT concepts, right? So the way that I use ICT concepts is different, right? So there's some concepts like, right, this CISD over here. Some might argue that this is not a CISD. I don't freaking care. This is how I mark out my CISD, and this is the way that I understand it. It's the way that I trade it, you know. So making an example of support and resistance traders, they're gonna see this is support, right? And someone might say, if this candle engulfs this one, I'm gonna be buying from this point, you know. And then another trader might come and say, okay, price just broke out, right? It just retested, and what, this candle closed bullish. So someone already entered, you know, and someone else entered when this candle closed bullish above this zone, this one right here. It took a trade from here, buy, maybe stop loss, I don't know, below this zone. But me, I like for price to show me what it's trying to do. That's why I wait. Just wait, be patient. That's all it is. Be patient. Price will, like, don't try and chase trades, because price will humble you, bro. Big time. Ask the people that know. Price will humble you. No matter what strategy you're trading, you have to wait for your setup to form. And me, I don't trade a copy and paste strategy or system, whatever you may call it. I trade what I see, and that's it. That's why I'm saying, like, if you were to break down the way that I trade, it would be broken down into 9 trading models, which is ICT concept based models, but some might add more. You know, I believe that's how you should trade, you know. Because this gives me way more breathing room. But I'm used to this, you know. I wouldn't advise to for any beginner to trade like I do, you know, especially when you're starting. Yeah, you can watch my live streams and see how I trade and try and figure out how I trade, but like when you're starting out, just focus on basic strategies. I believe when applied right with risk management strategies, most strategies could be profitable or all profitable. It's just that people don't want to spend enough time with a strategy. A strategy you have to spend. Okay, let me not say spend, but like you have to back test the strategy, like back test it properly, you know, to get proper results. Which way you can be able to determine how you're gonna apply your risk management, you know, because how are you gonna be able to know how much are you gonna risk per trade on a strategy that you're not, like, you don't know the matrix of, especially if it's, let's say, if it's a mechanical strategy. Let me tell you now, a mechanical strategy, right? I would advise that you start with a mechanical strategy, because a mechanical strategy is easy to backtest. You can even backtest on here on TradingView. Like, I don't have the paid plan, right? Like, you can go back in time and look for your entry rules, you know. Like, it's easy, but like with discretionary trading strategies, it's really hard. It's where you have to go back and, like, you have to have predetermined rules, you know. Even though you are trading discretionary, like, you have to have some sort of system of how you're taking your trades, you know, and then you backtest that way, or you gather data and then you decide on how you're gonna execute. Forex trading doesn't have to be like, you don't have, like, you must think outside the box. That's what it requires. And once you're feeling stuck, ask questions. Let's see what's happening. No, pass your shift again. You know why I'm looking for sells for now is because price did what? Price created a bunch of liquidity over here, right? And started what? Started taking it out. Took buy side over here, came down, took sell side. Like, this is just a stop hunt, you know. So like, what I'm expecting is what? Price to go down. Then from here, let's say from this order block, right? Or there's FEG right here, but like, I don't normally use FEGs, right? But I am aware of them. It's not like I ignore them, but like most of the time I ignore them, but I am aware of them. So yeah, man, let me not talk over price. Let me just wait and see what's happening, and then when something interesting is happening, which is where I will say, okay guys, this is what I'm Wara. I'm just gonna mute my mic now because I'm listening to music. So what I was saying is that price just swept, right? So depending on how this candle closes, I'll be taking a sell where my stop loss is going to be on that high over there, you know. But I'd like to see this candle coming down closer to where to here, you know, possibly creating what a CISD. But let's see what price is going to do. So the reason why I don't like if I were to mark out everything that I'm seeing, right, which is this liquidity sweep, everything that I was saying, like my chart would be messy. Like I know what I'm looking for. That's why I don't mark out a lot of stuff when I'm in a trade, or when I've placed a trade, which is then I will mark out what I was looking at. But as I'm building up to the trade, I am gonna tell you guys, okay, this is what I'm seeing, this is what I'm seeing, you know. Then once I've taken the trade, I'll mark out what I told you guys I saw, you know, like maybe a liquidity sweep or a CISD. Nervous. Came through swerving. Nervous. Come through swerving. Nerdy. Hey. Now play that song again. Where my lighter at? Okay, I like this follow through. Yeah, if this candle closes bearish, I'll be taking the second trade over here, risking 0.5. So if this is a losing trade, right, I'll stop trading for the day. Because as my rules say, if I get 2 losses in a row, I stop trading for the day. Now, if this trade is a winner, I'll be looking for the next trade, which is if that trade results in a winner, I'll be up by 1 hour, I'll stop trading for the day. Or if that trade is a loser, I'll be down negative 1 hour for the day. I'll stop trading then, you know. So yeah, just know the only time when I place this is when I'm sure of a trade. When I place a visual order like this, right, I'll target 1-to-1. I'll enter on the candle closure. Stop loss is going to be there. 30 seconds left. Seconds. Okay, let's see. 5. Okay, I'm in. Right there. Then I said what? Okay, wait, let me mark out what I was saying. So we just had what? Liquidity sweep. Plus CIST over here. So now let's monitor the trade. This is not the only liquidity sweep, but this is the most recent one. We had one over here, but yeah. Let's see. Hope I'm not late on this move. Yeah. Either way, if it wins, it wins. If it loses, it loses. Let me set my alerts and listen to music. Okay, let me remove this. But it is here. Okay. So only on the 3 and the 5. Pull up a bag, go pull up a safe. Pull up safe. Damn. How many people are on here? It's cool, it's cool.
Yeah, blessed.
Okay, let me mute the mic because I'm listening to music. I'll trade it out again when price either hits TP or your stop loss. I'm doing push-ups, guys. Let's go. Price is almost at TP. TP hit. Okay. We got one more trade. Let's see how it's gonna do, but yeah, this one TP hit. So we got back what we lost. Yeah. Okay, let me catch my breath, but yeah. Let's wait for the second trade and see what price has for us. Damn, how long have I been streaming? It's been over an hour, okay. Okay. You see why I say it's always advisable to wait for what price is gonna do. Now price it might fall through, it might bounce, but yeah, this is an order block as I trade order blocks, liquidity sweeps and CISDs. And bullish variations and bearish variations. Okay. Okay, might have a potential something over here. We just had a liquidity sweep over here. Right, and price is rejecting from this order block over here. So what I'm expecting is that price is gonna reverse to the upside. So if this candle closes bullish, I'll be taking my entries on that candle closure. Stop loss in this low, wherever 1 to 1. Yeah, let's see. Okay, let's see. It's about like 35 seconds left. Looks like it's gonna close bearish, but how many pips is this? Minimum for is 1 pip. It's less than 1 pip now. I'm trading it. Okay, no trade. I would trade. Let's delete this. Let's see how this one is gonna close. So let's send this one to the back. Same with this one. And the commission I think is a bit high on 5%, because on my other accounts I lost like $10. I know because it's based on, because what I was supposed to lose is what because I know on the first trade I lost more, so obviously the second trade is going to be a bit less, so the gain is a bit less than what I lost, right? So which is supposed to be like $10, which is supposed to be a $10 difference, you know. But like now on this one account, the fivers, I lost like $15. It's cool though. It's cool. But that's the account that's leading. So let me check out how many percent is it up by. So it's up by $85. So it's up by 1.7. Okay, that's cool. Yeah, I'll be adding another account once this account goes in to positive 3%, or if it goes into negative 3%. But yeah, this is the leading account, so I'll be doing it based on this account. For those that are lost, I'm doing a challenge. You can go watch my videos, or you can go watch my latest video and you'll see what I'm basically up to. I'm trading 3 accounts, 3 platform accounts. Okay. Let's see. This candle looks like it's about to close bullish. But I don't like this. I don't like this at all. Nah, it closed bearish. So we cool. Let's see if we're gonna have another sweep. Oh yeah. The 1 minute guys, it's just here for a visual representation of like what's going on. You know, I used to trade on the 1 minute, you know, but I don't have a lot of time, so that's why I'm sticking to at least the 5 minute. I do have time, but trading on the 1 minute time frame, I always have to be attentive of what is going on. So okay, I'll draw liquidity sweeps. At least then it's the first what I look out for first is the liquidity sweep, so I can at least draw. Look at that, this tap. So we got equal lows over here. Fine. This is liquidity. We got equal lows. If it closes bullish, I'll be taking the trade. The stop loss is still going to be at this level. But what I'm afraid of is that this is liquidity, right? So let's say if it closes bullish, right, it's gonna wanna come and take out these lows before, or potentially these ones over here, but let's say best case scenario, it taps these lows and it's gonna want what? It's gonna go up some. Maybe I'm gonna enter the sell there or the buy there. I don't know. Let's see. But yeah, this is the trade I'm currently gonna execute. Okay, it's too early for that. But it's fine if it does close bullish. This is where I'll be taking on the candle closure. Okay, so for me, if this is a losing trade, I'll basically be done for the day. And I'll come back and see tomorrow. Wait, let's see what's going on with the news of tomorrow. What's the calendar saying? Okay, we have news at 1 p.m. and at 2:30. Okay. Let's see. This is the current trade I'm about to enter. Few seconds, 4, 3, 2, 1, and I'm in. 1 to 1. This is the entry. That's what, 3.5 pips. Here's the CISD over here. Now this is what? This is an extreme CISD. Well, that's what I like to call an extreme CISD. And then I'll add alerts and wait for price to do what it does best. I'll wait for it to move. It's either gonna go to my take profit or it's gonna go to my stop loss. Let's see. I trust in what I do, so if you're doubting yourself or you have one bit of doubt in your strategy, then you'll have a lot of trouble trading that strategy or becoming consistent in trading that strategy or the way that you are trading. Because what's going to end up happening is you're going to end up making performance-based mistakes. You know, like when you're reviewing your trades, you're going to be like, nah, why did I take a trade over there? What happened with this, that? And when you are reviewing your trades, the ones that you were supposed to take, let's say your strategy would have been in profit by now, but you are at a loss, you know, which is the problem is you at that stage, you know, like those are problems that you can fix. That's what I love about Forex is that once you will start, right, you can actually see what you start on and you can work on. Like you can't go forward if you haven't solved your problem, if you get what I mean. So you have to solve it. It forces you to solve it, you know. And once you take a lot of losses, you learn from your losses. Learn from your losses. Every time you take a loss, you learn from your loss. You know, it shapes you into becoming or trading the way that you trading. Because you might find that, let's say we're trading the same strategy, but I'm winning at the strategy, but you're losing. You know, it's just a sense of that me, I know the strategy in and out. You know, I know how much to risk because I have the matrix of the strategy. I know what the maximum losing streak, or what was the maximum losing streak that has happened before. How many trades does it often win in a row? Stuff like that. You know. So it puts me at a better position than the person that doesn't know, because they might even want to go full margin or risk, like, let's say 20% per trade or even 10%, you know. But based on the results of the strategy, it's not advisable, because the strategy gets let's say it gets more losing streaks than it does more winning streaks. So imagine trading like full margin or risking high on a strategy that gets more losing streaks than it does winning streaks. Doesn't make sense, right? So yeah, I'm just waiting on this trade to close so that I can go about my day and do other stuff, which is to edit maybe, or probably do whatever I want, you know. I'll come back tomorrow and see what the market has for me then. Okay, I see why the commission is high on Fiverr is because, like, I have raw spreads on I have raw spreads on EU on this pair. So normally when you have an account that is raw spread, or you're trading a pair that is raw spread, you're gonna get a high commission per trade or per lot that you trade. Okay, my trades just hit my stop loss. So I'm out. Okay, so today I lost -1 hour. So it closed on my ACG and it's not closed yet on my other accounts, but it's soon to be. Closed on my funded next. Okay. Yep. So it's a -1 odd day. That's cool. Let me update the results. So we have had 6 wins and 2 losses. cool. So yeah guys, that is the end of today's stream, as I am done trading for the day. I will see you guys tomorrow.